Friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I am very happy because I will be reviewing some products which I have got it from Club Factory, and it's a most awaited day for me. I was not getting the time to make a proper video, and today when I got time I am so excited to share my opinion regarding Club Factory, so keep watching. Now, what is Club Factory? It's an international smartphone shopping application which you're going to get it in your Google Play Store. You can download straight away from there. Club Factory is a place where you will get a variety of brands in one platform, and that's really great. You can choose your own thing, and they are dealing with clothes, beauty accessories, gadgets, watches. So many things are there over there. You need to just visit their site once and you will come to know they are dealing with so many things and so many brands. Now friends, when you are shopping from Club Factory, you have to remember one thing. The things which you have ordered and you are going to receive, these things are not coming from India. It is coming from abroad. So you need to have a little bit of patience, because the things will come to you in its own time. Don't lose patience. It will take a long time to come, at least 15 to 20 days. It's my honest review, so I am telling you the thing which has happened with me also. Friends, I have shopped some jewelries from Club Factory. I will be showing them to you straight away, and I will be showing the screenshots also on the screen, so you can just see how the products looked on screen over there in that app, and how it looked when I wore it. There might be a little bit of difference just because of the lights, and keep on watching. I will be showing you all the things which I have purchased from Club Factory, and it will be really very exciting. The first thing which I am going to show you is my earrings. You can see that I am already wearing this. I will be telling you the price on the screen. You can see the price. Now see the earrings. It's so colorful and beautiful. You can see I am wearing this because I really liked it a lot, and you can see it on the screen how it looks like and how it is looking right now when I am wearing it also. Next jewelry which I will be showing you is this one. It's a necklace, you can see, and how beautiful it is. You can see this. If I wear it, it looks just the same as I have seen in the picture. You will be seeing on the screen very soon also. See how pretty it is looking, really. Jewelry is this chain. It's so beautiful, friends. You can see that it is shining, and I believe it can be worn with any sort of Indian Western dresses which you wish to wear, and it suits with everything. See how beautiful it is looking. It's really pretty, and I have bought lot of pendants and necklaces. I will be showing you. Just keep watching. Now the next beautiful thing which I am going to show you is this one. It's a bracelet, and it's very pretty. In one of my video I have worn this, and when you wear this, it really looks pretty. You will be seeing the screenshot also. I will be showing you and how it looks. You will come to know. You can see it on my hand. It's a bit big for me. I will adjust it according to my need, and it's really beautiful, I can tell you that. Now the next thing is this one. You can see the colors in this necklace. It's so beautiful, it's so colorful, and it's so bright. When you will wear this, you will find a difference in you. You can see I'm not wearing it, but I'm just showing you how beautiful it is looking, and the prices of this are amazingly low, and I'm really impressed with this site actually. Now when we go to our workplaces, we need some simple earrings yet which is looking good. So I have chosen this one. You can see, I think you can see this, the earrings. These are very pretty and it's very shining a lot, just like diamonds. So if you wear this, you will look really gorgeous, I can tell you, and in your workplace all are going to appreciate it. I just love to wear earrings. So I have bought one more pair of earrings from Club Factory, and these are the things. You can see how pretty it's looking. It's shining a lot, and when you wear this thing with any blue dress, I'm telling you, it is going to look amazing on you. Bought a sleek chain for office wear actually, and this is this one. You can see this, and you can see the screenshot also how it is looking when I am wearing it, and it's really nice for office wear, and I prefer sleek chain at times. I bought a watch from them, and it is really nice. You can see also that I am wearing it over here, and as well as you will be seeing that on the screen also, and how the model is looking when she is wearing. So it's such a lovely watch, and everything was packed so nicely. It was bubble wrapped so nicely. It came to me in a very nice condition. I am really impressed the way they have sent it from abroad. It was really impressive. Guys, I really made one mistake. I didn't see. I bought a pair of earrings, but it was actually not a pair of earrings. It was a single earring. I didn't see it and I bought it. Only one is there. Next time again I will be shopping from Club Factory. So I have to buy one more thing, one more set like this, so that I can wear. But it is really so pretty, I can't tell you. You have to have a look on it and you have to buy it, and then you will understand what I am talking about. And I am so disappointed, because it was really my mistake. I didn't see. It was written over there clearly only one piece, and I really didn't see it. It was only my fault. By the way, this is my haul. This is all about my experience about Club Factory. I will be giving you the link of the app in the description box. If you want to have a look, you can just straight away go to the Google store and you can download it from there. You can have a look. See, there are some mixed opinions regarding Club Factory, but honestly telling you, I have shopped some jewelry and they were really amazing. You can see it on screen and you have seen it when I was wearing also. Friends, when I bought all these products, I have to pay rupees 129 for the shipping charges, because if I am not wrong, so if you are buying anything below 1900 something, I just can't remember the exact price. Visit their site, you will come to know. Within 2000, if you are buying anything, the shipping charges are free, or else you have to pay rupees 129. I think it's quite okay because the things are coming from a long distance. So friends, I am very happy after shopping from Club Factory. I am not at all disappointed because the products came from a long distance and it reached me so safely. Everything was nicely packed. Nothing at all was damaged. So I will definitely buy some more things from Club Factory, and I'm sure it won't be disappointing at all.